Hi, I'm Hunter from Battlefield Sports. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common issues on the display. If the text on the screen is fading, that usually means that the tagger is running low on battery, so give it a charge. If the display shows the message "No SD card," it's likely that the SD card has moved out of its slot. To check this, you'll first need to open up the Cobra. We have a video on that, which I'll link below in the description. Once you've opened up the Cobra, you can attempt to push the SD card back into its slot. If that doesn't work, the next step is to actually replace the SD card. Find a thin razor that you can run along the top of the SD card to loosen up its position. Then pop the old SD card out of the slot and put the new SD card in. Get some silicone and run it in a line over the top of the SD card to seal it in place. Please note, on the metal taggers, you will need to actually take the whole board out to replace the SD card. Another display issue that you might run into is where you see two black lines along the top of the LCD. This can be caused by a couple different things. If the tagger has hit something hard, for example, it's fallen from a height, or a player has crashed into something while running, it's possible that this has loosened. Twist the cable back into its slot. If that doesn't work, try replacing the LCD. First, take off the cover. The new LCD will have several additional pieces. Lever off each of these pieces until it looks like the old LCD. Unplug the old LCD from the cables, then plug the cables into the new LCD. Be very careful to line up the small pin with the small hole. Then slot the new LCD in and put in the cover. I hope these solutions have helped you fix your LCD issues, and I'll see you in the next one.